that Christoph was like the air tasker.
That's all.
Yeah, another event venue. Someone's getting married, but I think you can. There you go. Yeah, someone's rented it out for their wedding. She could go in there as the wedding photographer. But I like weddings, but of course I prefer it if I know people. I don't like wedding photography. You know, I've done some video and photos at weddings, but people have asked me to do it, and I just say I'll do it for fun and give it to you for free, but not really too interested in. I enjoy having a good time, not working when I'm at weddings, if that makes sense. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to turn this off. I'll catch you later on. Minutes till my bus comes. I'm going to just have a little bit of a walk around this area here, take some photos, even though the sun's not out and it's not ideal, but still. Probably might be some dramatic photos actually. Sometimes this kind of weather you get some good photos, because like over there the sun's coming through the clouds and hitting that's the eastern suburbs over there. It can look quite interesting. Now I might be able to, oh look, I'll get rid of my, I've got a can I'm carrying around, I'll get rid of that too while I'm here. It's a buoy. It's a buoy. No, it's a buoy. They tie the ship on there.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. They tie it up.
Thank you.
So yeah, they can refuel here too. Well, they've locked it off. We can't get there. Oh, Navy. Yes, for Navy ships. There you go. Of course, this will all be Commonwealth land still here too. Yep. So there you go. It's for Navy refueling, not for civilians. Okay. Plane, someone taking off. I've had coffee here a couple of weeks ago. It's a nice little spot to sit and have a coffee. Don't have time today. I'll get my bus and get out of here. Yeah, nice spot. Hey, look at the sun over there. How it's hitting there. That's the eastern suburbs of Sydney. That looks quite dramatic. It would have been better from up the top actually. More historic places here, but now it's been obviously leased out to somebody.
Wait, be careful. Wait down there. Wait down there.
Before the sun goes down, we get a shot of this old cottage. It's historic as well, but I don't know what it was used for. Try and get my shadow out of there. Look at this. Look at that. The sun's coming straight over and hitting the whole of the eastern suburbs. And look at the dramatic clouds in the background. Wow. Let's get rid of this can that I'm carrying around. Carrying this can everywhere. It won't be long, my bus will be here, so I'll get my phone back out. Because I like to do some photos with my phone, as you probably all know by now. Not just, actually, most of my photos were by phone. I've only just started to use the camera again. Okay, let's do this. Look at that. Oh, that's so nice. Get some video first. There goes my alarm. Get rid of this can. There's Bushy back again. Hey Bushy. Anyway, head back. Get the ferry back. It'll be nice at a sunset again, actually, probably. If there is, I'll put the camera back on the way back. If we should be close to sunset, it might not actually be sunset. But there's damn birds getting into this stuff, making a mess. Anyway, by again. Hey, do any of them go to the ferry wharf?
Musgrave.
Yeah, so we don't go to Taronga, eh?
I don't go to Taronga.
No, there was supposed to be one that goes to Taronga, but
Not from here.
yeah, from here, yeah.
From here?
Yeah, it's it on the thing. But anyway, so we will get to a ferry wharf, will we?
Musgrave Street.
Musgrave. That's the Mosman
South.
something.
Mosman South.
Yeah. That's right. Promise.
had. I was comparing